There are many videos you can create by yourself. They can be longer or shorter, but understanding what kind of videos can be best used on what platforms can give you a real advantage over your competition and help in converting your prospects into paying clients, which means a lot of money for you. In this video, I'll explain the main differences between marketing and branding videos and how to approach each one of them. Stay tuned. Hi guys, and welcome back. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button so you as well can get plenty of tips, tricks and secrets on how to create super powerful videos all by yourself and all on the dime. Also, feel free to tell me what you think about this video, and if you have any question, please leave a comment. Not only I promise to address it, but I might even create a very specific video on that topic. Make sure to watch the video all the way through, as I'm sharing a lot of examples and links to other videos, as well as I'm giving you a free tool to download. So let's dive into it. Today it's known that people are reading less and less and watching more videos. But even when it comes to videos, people's patience is getting shorter and shorter. A video is a phenomenal tool that can assist you in delivering a message in a very short time and in an entertaining way. But there's a very important question to ask. Can the same video create the same engagement and the conversion on different outlets? The answer is no. Social media, website, and even television are totally different platforms. Think about it, you're on your Facebook page, at work, or somewhere else. You're scrolling up and down, seeing all these posts and pictures and some videos. If it's a cute video, there's a good chance you'll click and see it. If you see it's 2 to 3 minutes video and now you need to click on it, to listen to it, to pay full attention to it, good chances are that if you're not in a very quiet place that you can dedicate yourself to this video, you won't watch it and you just keep scrolling up and down. While you can certainly post the same videos on different platforms, some will have different impacts in different steps of the consumer journey, from seeing your product or service for the first time all the way through up to the purchasing point where he decides whether to pay you or not. Just to simplify it, it takes some time from the moment we see a product or a service, recognizing that we have a problem that this might be a good solution for. It actually takes about 7 or 8 times for us to see a product or a service before we take an action to explore more. If you're interested, I made a whole video about the consumer journey. It shows you the step-by-step a consumer goes through from the moment he sees a product or a service for the first time all the way up to the point that he needs to make a decision whether it's going to be you he's going to buy from or someone else. So let's talk about the two main kinds of videos out there. A marketing video is a short-form video that teases your audiences to learn more about a specific product or service. It can be an ad, it can be a promo video, it can be a giveaway video. A branding video that is sometimes called a cooperate video or a product video gives them so much information about your business, your product or service, and creates such high credibility that helps tremendously in closing the deal. A branding video is a video that people will come to watch because they want to learn more about your service or product. It can be that they saw you on social media or other platforms. It could be that someone referred them to you or gave them your website. They are interested in a very specific thing that you have to offer, and they'll spend the time watching videos, even reading and learning about you. The length of a good branding video can range between 2 to 5 minutes. It should present a real problem that people or businesses might suffer from, and then introduce the perfect solution for it. Then little by little, it reveals more details about your service or product, showing why it is that you do it so very well and why should people buy from you and not your competition. You can show them different examples of why it didn't work with others, how you create your product with such attention to details, how you have a team of experts beside you, how you invested in research or testing groups to ensure that this product actually works. At the end of the video, the viewer has received so much information and so who you are and he's excited about you and he's ready to take the next step to buying from you. A branding video can be more creative or less creative, but it's the most important video to have. Let's say you're promoting your business on social media. You're posting daily videos and pictures and other posts. You even spend money and boosting it to reach more and more audiences. And it's working. People are liking it and they want to learn more. Now they're clicking on the link on social media to get either to your website or a landing page you created. On that page, all they can see is just pictures and word descriptions of the products or services. Today, statistics show that if you don't have a video on a landing page, 25% of all visitors will leave instantly. All the money and effort you spent into getting these people to this landing page are now gone. On the other hand, if you do have a good video on this landing page, not only you won't lose these audiences, you can actually get up to 80% conversion rate. You can see some very cool and creative branding videos I created for my clients by clicking on the playlist I created for you, all packed with branding videos. Now that you have your branding video in place, you can move to the marketing videos. Marketing videos are fantastic tools to engage your audience and tease them to take action to learn more about you. Marketing videos can be used on different platforms, social media for example, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. They can also be used on television, YouTube, and other visible channels. A good length for these kind of videos would range from 5 seconds up to about 120 seconds. This video can tell a joke or highlight a dramatic event or even present an emotional moment like a wedding or a loss of someone close. Remember, in this video you don't give all the information about the company, but just highlight the problem and the solution you offer. Think about commercials on TV you saw lately. Even though they didn't give you a full overview of what it is, you still found yourself interested enough to go and learn more about the company or the product. Think about the 5-second skip ad that YouTube has. Within only 5 seconds, some of these commercials will grab your attention and you'll stay and watch more. If a marketing video is done properly, you won't even have to spend a dime on promoting it. People will love it, engage with it, and start sharing it with others. It may even go viral, so millions and millions of people all over the world might end up watching it, clicking through to your landing page, and that might even translate to a lot of money in your pocket. So this is it. That was the video about the main differences between a marketing and a branding video. I hope this video was valuable to you and provided you with a lot of information that can help you make a better decision in what direction you should go in order to make money with videos. If you enjoyed it, please give it thumbs up. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. In the description, you can find some links to the playlist and videos that I mentioned, and a special gift from me to you, a free download, a worksheet on how to create your own winning concept for your either branding or marketing video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and click the subscribe button so you can get more tips and ideas on how to create super powerful videos all by yourself and on the dime. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye bye.